To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Today, again, I am taking your letter to the editor, and the topic that is complaining about stray animals roaming in the city. Dear students, as I have already told you the points, first of all, there is the letterhead. Leaving one line, there is date. Leaving one line, then there is address inside. Leaving one line, then there is subject. Leaving one line, then there is salutation. And then there is the body. And in the body, there are three parts: opening, main content, and closing. And last one is signature. And what will be our opening? It is evergreen as usual. Through the esteemed columns of your famous daily newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities towards the problem of stray animals roaming in the city. This is the opening, and the second paragraph will be started. Nowadays, the residents in XYZ city are facing the problem of stray animals. Then we have to take points. We have to make three important points. In stray animals, there are cows and bulls, there are pigs, and there are dogs. First of all, we have to take cows and bulls. Again, I start. Nowadays, the residents of XYZ city are facing the problem of stray animals roaming freely here and there. We can see cows and bulls in the market, in the streets. These cows and bulls hit the persons in the market suddenly. Bulls also hit the persons. Sometimes there is bull fighting in the market, on the roads, in the streets. Then there is problem to the passers-by. And in this bullfighting, many persons are injured. So these become problemsome for the residents, for the persons. Second point, that is of pigs. Pigs are seen enjoying in the mud inside drains. Sometimes these come out of the drains having too much mud on their bodies and shake their bodies among the persons. Due to this process, the persons get their clothes spoiled, and this is tension causing for the persons. And third one, that is about the dogs. Dogs are seen roaming freely in the streets, in the market, on the roads, and sometimes these are seen sitting in the streets. These dogs start barking at the persons passing by, and sometimes these bite the persons also. And due to all these stray animals, there is the feeling of fear among the persons in the city. And second paragraph, in second paragraph closing, we have already complained about this to the concerned authorities but no action has been taken till today. This is our second paragraph. And last one, that is closing. Therefore, the concerned authorities are requested to look into the matter and relieve us from the problem. And in the end, in left hand side, we have to write down yours faithfully, signature along with the name. While writing letter, it is to be noted down, it is to be kept in mind that each and every line is to be started from the margin line. So dear students, this is a letter to the editor complaining about the stray animals roaming freely in the market, in the city, on the roads. Means we have to try to understand this. Thank you very much.